Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you the cooling fans or radiator fans fuses in case your Rogue is overheating. This video should apply to third generation made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so these fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood next to the battery right here. Now to remove this cover, you'll have two black tabs on this side, one here and one here. So you want to press them and lift up. Okay. Once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you'll also have a small fuse diagram, and here access to all of the fuses. And the radiator fans fuses are these two 50 amp fuses, this one right here and this one here. Those are the fuses you want to check. If these fuses are good, then you want to dig a bit deeper. You want to check the electrical connections at the fans. You want to check the wiring and you want to test actually if the power is coming to the fans. If it is, then it possibly failed. If not, then you might have a wiring issue somewhere. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.